How to create a Facebook event. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create a Facebook event. So first of all, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and over here when you will scroll down you will be able to see the option called event. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply click on the plus icon from the top right corner right beside the search icon, and now you have to give the event the name that you would want to create the event for, and you can start the date and the time for the event, and now you can also add the end timing of the event. Just simply add which is just simply talk about whether this event is virtual or in person. So if this event is in person, you have to select the location from the given location, or you can also enter the location of your preference and you can add that. And if this event is virtual, just simply go to the virtual side and just simply select which kind of virtual event that you are creating. So for example, you're creating through an external link, just simply select that, and you can also add the URL over here. And but I'm going to select the Facebook Live. Just simply select that and click on done. And now you have to select who can see it, so whether it is public, private, or amongst your friends. So I'm going to select public and click on done. And now you have to briefly explain which kind of a event is this and the brief details of the event. You can also upload the picture from your gallery and GIF or anything like that related to the event. Just I would suggest you to add the banner of the event that you are going to conduct. And once you have added all these details, just simply click on create event. And now as you can see that your Facebook event has been created, and as per your given date and time your Facebook event will be live. You have to prepare for that. And yeah, this is basically how you will be able to create a Facebook event. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.